Listen and read. A. Constant, diverse. Estimate, refer, reflect, reveal, shape, value, no matter, in spite of something. Constant, more or less constant. To keep, hold constant, almost constant. A constant companion, a constant threat. The temperature must be kept constant. In the world of fashion, it sometimes seems that the only constant thing is a never-ending change. Diverse, remarkably diverse. A diverse population. Diverse people or things are very different from each other. Jones has a much more diverse and younger audience. Estimate. To estimate officially, to estimate the results, to estimate the preferences, to estimate one's popularity. I estimate that the total cost will be $12,500. Refer, referred, referring. 1. To refer to something. To refer to a certain culture. The term metaphor refers to literature. The term protagonist also refers to literature and means one of the main characters in a play or a novel. 2. I would like to refer you all to some reliable dictionary. Reflect. 1. To reflect somebody's attitude. To reflect something in the article. His face was reflected in the mirror. 2. To reflect on something. Tom's parents reflected on the children's future. Reveal. To reveal a secret. To reveal some fault. To reveal oneself. The curtains opened to reveal a darkened stage. The investigation has revealed some serious faults in the system. Shape. 1. In the shape of a star, cube, heart, triangular in shape, in all shapes and sizes. These events have changed the whole shape of the British society. 2. To shape a person's character, to shape one's philosophy. Culture helps to share our personalities. Value. 1. To be of some value to somebody, to be of no value, to have common values, values and beliefs. The weekend course will be of great value to everybody interested in the Chinese culture. 2. To value somebody something, to value the property, one's health, life, independence. What do you value your car at? I value it at $20,000. No matter. No matter when you come back. No matter what you do. No matter who answers. No matter where he goes. No matter why he has given up this idea, he has the right to change his mind. In spite of. In spite of the weather. In spite of his results. In spite of all the hardships, they are happy.